Hey buddy, Adam here. We got day 2 of the build. Day 1, we took the motor off. We designed some parts to help brace the surface drive as we're cruising through the marshes. Today we're going to take the rest of the transom mount off for the motor and start taking apart the transom braces and the wood on the John boat. As you can see, this is what I got for day 2. It's going to be pretty simple taking the rest of the motor mount off. Then I'm going to have to take the duck blind off, slide that forward so I can get access to all those nuts and bolts and everything that was done to repair the transom prior. And I'm going to take it out and just see what we got. I have removed the motor mount from the transom. I cleaned out some mud, sticks, all kinds of stuff from duck hunting in there. What I'm going to do is start taking all the bolts off and take out the transom wood that Pierre put in there a long time ago, and just kind of see what we got going on and check out these cracks. So here it is. Here's the inside. Like I said, cleaned it out, scraped it out, vacuumed it out just to make it a little easier to get the nuts and bolts. I got to take the water pump out of there and all these nuts and bolts off and braces and get her going. And there's Tucker Pop. He's sleeping. He's tired. He's out here helping me. But let's get this done and see what we got behind there. I got the transom wood out, I got all the bolts out, I got all the braces out, I got the bilge pump out, and you can see again where the motor mount, when it would slip, would hit the boat. Here's the back of the boat, and I used to have my motor way up top, and you can see that that's dented in and almost gone through. And then this year we dropped it down so I could get a little better movement out in the marsh. But this has been a problem for the last 3 years of me, of this motor trying to go through the back of my boat. So we'll clean this up, see what happens. And here's a little picture of the inside of me cleaning it up. I just grabbed a little bit of steel bristle and scrubbed it, got the dirt off, got all the sealant off. Make sure you got a nice smooth surface. I'm going to get some self-etching aluminum primer and paint the inside of that. There's some pitting started, so we want to get that on there. So I'm going to start doing the outside of the boat, and we'll see how that looks. Day 2 comes to an end here. Got everything done that I wanted to today. I got the transom wood out, the transom mounts out, all nuts and bolts, everything's cleaned up. Outside of the duck boat is painted. Next thing will be to go to the store and get some wood and get a new transom in there and get some metal form to help support what is ripping on the back of the duck boat transom. So we'll see you on day 3.